Hi there, I'm Alex, and welcome to Carepatron's explainer video on knee pain location charts. Knee pain can have many different causes, such as damage to ligaments, articular cartilage, or menisci, or it could be due to an underlying disease such as osteoarthritis or gout. A knee pain location chart is a visual tool to assist with the localization of a patient's knee pain. This can then help you to narrow down the range of possible diagnoses. While knowledge of common knee pathologies is required to interpret the result of the knee pain location chart, the activity of circling the area that hurts on an illustration does not. As such, this chart can be completed independently by patients, but a healthcare practitioner will be required to interpret the results. Some of these professionals might include physiotherapists, physical therapists, or sports medicine physicians. The first step is to annotate the knee diagram provided. This step can be completed by the patients themselves if they wish. You might have noticed that some relevant areas have been labelled, such as the medial and lateral joint line areas, patella, and quadriceps tendon. Each of the areas labelled correlate to common knee pathologies. You can see our full guide to knee pain location chart on the Carepatron website for more details. Once the knee diagram has been annotated to accurately represent the patient's knee pain, any additional notes can be added in the space provided. These could include any other relevant information, referrals, or next steps for the patient. The last step is to store the chart securely along with the rest of your patient's medical record. To see an example of how this knee pain location chart can help your patients to identify where they have pain, just take a look at our example knee pain location chart. You can access this knee pain location chart and many other resources from within your Carepatron app. Just head to Templates from the menu on the left-hand side. Then ensure you've selected Community Templates to see our full range of resources. You can then search the resource library by keyword. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe to Carepatron's YouTube channel for more helpful content.